In the last video, we learned how to easily add an opportunity owner for your leads inside your sales pipeline. And in this video, we will learn how to add followers for an opportunity to make sure that you're fully helping the lead become a customer. So for this video, I will create a new automation. So we'll go back to workflows here again, and then I will create a new workflow from scratch. And before we start building this, we'll take a brief look at our pipeline here again, and we will see where should we ideally trigger adding the followers to make sure that we have a really good process. So let's say a person was qualified, we added a sales team member as an opportunity owner in order to help them book a visit. Now, once somebody books a visit, what we do want is to assign some followers who will help in the visit, maybe helping getting the key from the landlord or coordinating the time of the visit with the customer. So for that purpose, we will add a follower in order to assist the main person who is the opportunity owner. So we'll go ahead and create this workflow right here. So I'll name this step 5, add followers for a visit, right? And for this trigger, we are again going to choose pipeline state changed. And here under the filters, we're going to select the pipeline to be real estate pipeline. And then we're going to choose the stage to be booked visit. So once this happens, once somebody moves here, what we will do is click plus here again, and then search for add followers. So you will find this action right here, and then you can select the followers. Again, this will be based on the staff members that are already available in your account. So in this example, I'm going to choose this second person here. And once we do that, we are pretty much good to go. So we can go ahead, click on publish and hit save now. And if you want to test it right now, we'll head over to our pipeline, and I'll just move this person to booked visit. Of course, you can have other triggers for it, but I just want to test it real quick. So if we do move this person to booked visit, we should see the execution logs right here, and it should update very briefly. And you can see it added the follower to the opportunity. So if we go back here now, and I open this opportunity real quick, you will see that under followers, we do have that person added. And of course, you can add multiple team members if that is relevant in your use case. So this is how easy it is to add followers for your opportunities. Again, these are the people who will be assisting the customer along with the opportunity owner here. So you can make use of this option to make sure that you're fully on top of your work.